YouTube channel. Today we are gonna make 3 recipes. We're gonna make cotton candy, hot chocolate, marshmallow, and Moorir Moa Lollipop. আজকে আমরা 3টা রেসিপি দেখাবো। আমরা কটন ক্যান্ডি বানাবো, হট চকলেট আর মুরির মোয়া ললিপপ বানাবো। So let's start. মুরির মোয়াতে মুড়ি লাগবে, which is puffed rice, গুড় লাগবে, which is jaggery, lollipop stick লাগবে। এখন আমরা বানাবো। এখন আমরা তেল দিচ্ছি। Oil in the hot pan. Now we're putting jaggery. এখন আমরা গুড় দিচ্ছি। এখন গুড়টা মেল্ট হবে। The jaggery will melt. Yum. Mix with the caramel flavor. Huh? They're all syrupy and caramelly. Syrupy or calamari karo. Yum. Make sure it doesn't get burned. I think it's done now.
Now mix and mix and mix and make a ball and put it in a stick.
These are all thin. এখন আমরা Moorir Moa Lollipop বানালাম and it's yummy. We are gonna make cotton candy. এখন আমরা cotton candy বানাবো। Candy machine লাগবে। Cotton candy বানাতে cotton candy machine লাগবে। To make cotton candy, you need a cotton candy machine. Pink one. All we need is sugar and a stick. Cotton candy is so delicious. It's a lot of sugar, but you can't eat it every day. It's not good for you. You have to eat it on Friday or once a week is okay for you. Or weekends. Cotton candy tonic sugar. Actually, you must not eat it every day. When your parents says you can eat someone each day. Number sugar dalbo middle. We're gonna put the sugar in the middle. এখন আমরা চিনি দিব cotton candy এর ভিতরে. Now we're gonna put sugar in the cotton candy. Turn on. Now we're gonna turn it on. The stick. It start twirling. Wow! সবাই এভাবে mix করবে. There's no cotton. Give it some time. That's what I was gonna say. I did it. All the cotton candies are coming. All the cotton candies are coming. Yes, getting bigger and bigger. Good. আরো হচ্ছে cotton candy. Cotton candy টা অনেক বড় হচ্ছে. I'm so excited to eat it. কি মজা হবে। Yum. Cotton candy. Yummy. Yum. Yum. Yummy. এখন খাও। মজা করে রসটাই বানাবে। Yummy. If you have the cotton candy machine, you can make cotton candy. If you don't, that's okay. You can buy one. Huh? Cotton candy looks so beautiful. This is even better. It's soft. Delicious. Hi, boys and girls. I'm Aaryan, Dave, We're gonna make a chocolate. Some marshmallows. Cold wintry day. আজকে আমরা hot chocolate বানাবো. Marshmallows. Let me show you how to make it. At pan, you put cocoa powder, cinnamon, and some sugar, and water, and milk. Tablespoon pani dilam. 2 tablespoon water to put it in a hot pan. 2 tablespoon cocoa dilam. 2 tablespoon cocoa. Chimney cinnamon.
Hello?
2 spoons of sugar we put. Spoon sugar. এখন আমরা দুধটা ঢেলে দিব for a cup of milk. To mix. Now we're gonna put the hot chocolate cup. Gonna decorate করবো marshmallow and cotton candy. This yummy. You can have it later. Yummy. Butter hot chocolate. This is how we make a yummy hot chocolate. Cotton candy, Moorir Moa Lollipop, and hot chocolate and marshmallow. And subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the thumbs up button to see around more fun activities. See you next time. Bye, boys and girls. Have a nice time making your own cotton candy if you have the cotton candy machine. You just need 1 scoop of sugar, and then you just need a cotton candy stick, and you just mix it around so it can be a puffy cotton candy. Bye, boys and girls. I hope you enjoy this channel. Bye.